Galipoğlu Hidromas Inc., which started the business activities in 1974 at a small workshop in Konya, one of the important cities of the Turkish industry, has increased production capacity in a short time and has become the industry's well-known and corporate company in Turkey. Hidromas is recently one of the world's biggest manufacturers of hydraulic pumps, telescopic cylinders, valve kits, and hydraulic equipment in its sector. In its new and modern factory, Hidromas has reached an annual production capacity of 30,000 cylinders and 60,000 pumps. Hidromas dominates the 80% of Turkish market, exports its products to more than 50 countries in 5 continents. The reason why Hidromas, a worldwide demanded brand, arises from using modern processes and testing each product further to a 100% quality control approval in all the production stages. Hidromas carries out production planning, collecting production data, inventory management, production work orders, and resource requirements on computer system with the help of ERP, MRP Enterprise Resource Planning System, and Field Data Collection Program. Hidromas' well-qualified engineers carry out R&D activities using computer analysis program, and the design studies are verified by the life tests performed in the field conditions provided in the factory environment. Besides, with a PDM program, the updated technical drawings can be displayed instantly on computers and tablets on the production lines. Holds ISO 9001, 2015 Quality Management System, ISO 27001 2013 Information Security Management System, CE certificates, TSEC certificates, and service qualification certificates. In addition, technical studies to continuously improve products and processes are regularly carried out with the support of APQP and PPAP studies. Hidromas is proud of being a global brand over 5 continents in commercial vehicle hydraulic equipment market, operating in 28,350 square meters closed area, 47,000 square meters in total, with the most modern CNC machines and automated systems by bringing its production capacity to the maximum level. No success is coincidence. Galipoğlu Hidromas Inc.